let's trade it now. Let's talk trading with Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy down at the CBOE. So you got your eyes on CRM, Scott, and as we were discussing here, the bar is high for these companies right now, no doubt about it. How are you approaching?
Yeah, the bar is very high, and in fact, 90% of the analysts out there are extremely bullish on the stock. But I agree with your previous. I agree with your previous guest here. I think short run here, there's a lot of issues, and unless they absolutely blow the doors off off of earnings, which has already been lowered, and up their guidance, this stock is going to be in short-term trouble, I believe, and that's why I'm buying a put spread. I'm buying a really cheap put spread going out to June expiration. So it's the June 135, 130 put spread. I can buy that for about $1. Really cheap, $5 wide put spread. I'm choosing those strikes, Oliver, because right now volatility is so expensive. The option market is pricing in about a $10 move out to the end of the week here.
Wow.
It's even further going out to June expiration here. I think the stock short term is in some trouble here, again, unless they come out and blow the doors off of guidance moving forward.
Yeah, now, this is a great point, Scott, that you reiterate here, which is the company last time around started to show a little bit higher expenses, marketing expenses, the reaction after the deal with the cloud craze and then MuleSoft. There's also advertising costs and marketing that have increased. So look, any sort of pinch on a very fat margin, but this is why people have loved the stock, right? It's that's been why it's a favorite.
You know what's going to be so interesting is watching the immediate reaction, because expectations are lowered. So when those comp numbers come out, the comp revenues come out, and if they come out in line with what the analysts are looking for, they're going to be lower than what they were last year. Let's see how the market reacts to that immediately without seeing any sort of guidance or anything like that, because those numbers are expected to be lower, which that's okay. If they do come in lower, that's okay. Again, much like we've seen across the space and across, quite frankly, almost this entire earnings season, guidance is going to hold the key here.
Yeah. All right, Scott, nice work. And then we're looking at June, right? So you got this is a pretty short-term trade.
Absolutely. I'm giving it about 2.5 weeks here. Normally I would do a weekly, so one expiring this week, but I want to give this thing a little time to percolate here, and I think that the reward to risk on this, spending $1 for a $5 wide put spread like this, is just too good to pass up.
Yeah. All right. There we go. Scott Bauer, CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. We were going to follow up and watch Salesforce this afternoon, CRM. Get ready, buckle up. Right now, though, let's take a little bit of a break from the short-term intermediate action. Let's talk some market structure and more. We've got a bond conversation coming to you right after the break. Stick around.